In this video, we're going to talk about upgrading engines in Control Hub. Like any software application, all of the StreamSets components are updated on a regular cadence. Each update introduces a new version of the system. Pipeline components, including stages, are built and designed to run on a specific system version. When a new version of Control Hub is released, the engine versions are updated as well. When you edit or run a pipeline, you have to select an authoring engine in order to make changes. This is because your pipeline is built to run on a specific version of the system. Engine versions drive everything else, including pipeline features, origin and destination types, stage functions, etc. New versions of the engine are designed to run all pipelines built from older versions. However, a pipeline built in a newer version of an engine will not be able to run on an older engine. In other words, pipeline components are forward compatible, but not backwards compatible. You will need to upgrade an old engine before running or editing a new pipeline. For example, if you build a new pipeline in version 5.9 of Data Collector, you will not be able to run it on your existing 5.4 engine. You will have to upgrade the 5.4 engine first. Let's take a look at how to do that. How you upgrade your engines depends on the deployment type. For self-managed deployments, you will need to take the following steps. First, clone the deployment of the engine you want to upgrade. Cloning keeps all settings, including labels, the same. Make sure to select the updated engine version in the clone. Next, stop all jobs running across the old deployment, and stop the deployment once all jobs are stopped. Start the clone deployment. Once it is running, then launch new engine instances to replace the outdated ones you just stopped. Then, start all of the jobs that were running on engines managed by the original deployment. As long as you've assigned the same labels to the new clone deployment, the jobs will start automatically on engines managed by the clone deployment. For Control Hub managed deployments, the process is a little different. First, clone the deployment. Keep all engine labels and settings the same, but select the upgraded engine version. Next, in the Review and Launch step of the Clone Deployment Wizard, click Launch and Check Deployment. This lets you review the deployment configuration after the deployment starts and launches engines on the provisioned resources. Next, stop the original deployment. As long as you assign the same labels to the new clone deployment and the jobs are enabled for pipeline failover, the jobs will automatically start on engines managed by the clone deployment. As a best practice, before you upgrade to a later engine version, be sure to review the appropriate engine release notes to understand the changes in the versions. There are separate release notes for Data Collector and Transformer. Now you know how to upgrade and manage engine versions in Control Hub. Thanks for watching.